First thing you need to do is you need to make sure that the changelog is up to date. So it should look like this. And then just go into raw view and copy and paste this changelog here. So just copy that. Okay. Now there are no version files in this. This is a Setup Tools SCM release. So all you have to do to release this is to go to Releases and then click Draft New Release. You want to paste that file that you copied earlier. The version here should go up into the release title, and you don't need the date because this will automatically have a date. Okay. And then for the tag version, start everything with a V, which is a suggestion you'll see over here on the side, and then just do 0.10.0. Okay. That will create a new tag. So if you click, you'll see this tag will be created. It will be a lightweight tag, which you might need to keep in mind for if you expect it to be annotated. It's not. Okay, and then just click Publish Release. All right, and then you should see, if you go to Actions, you should see that GitHub Actions is busy building this